Hello my dear children, today we are going to learn about a new chapter, new topic. It is articles. It's the 13th chapter in your grammar textbook. It is on page number 39. And I know you all are very familiar with the topic articles. So which are the three articles? A, an and the, isn't it? Yes. So we will see into the chapter. A, an and the are called articles. So which are the three articles? A, an and the. A and an are used before singular nouns. Where it is used? What is used? A and an is used before singular nouns. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Example, a book, a boy, a table, a chair, a teacher. All these begin with consonant sound. Book, boy, table, chair, teacher. So we can use, and it is in singular form, so we can use article A in front of these nouns, singular nouns. Do not use A before uncountable nouns. So we should not use article A before uncountable, that is, which is not able to count, uncountable nouns. Now, let me ask you, what is a vowel? You know what is a vowel, isn't it? So, vowels are, the vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it? A, E, I, O, U. So, what is the name given for the rest of the letters in alphabet? It is known as consonants. Which are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. So, the rest of the letters, alphabet are known as consonant letters. Okay. Now, article an is used before the words starting with vowel sounds. Be careful, okay? It is vowel sounds, not vowel letters. An is used before the word starting with vowel sounds. Example, an ant, an elephant, an ox. Here the words begin with the vowel sound a for ant, a for elephant, o for ox. So we can use the article an before the singular nouns. An ant, an elephant, an ox. In words like honest, the letter H is silent. So the words begin with vowel sound O. Once again, in the words like honest, the letter H is silent. So the words begin with vowel sound O. Now, in the textbook, page number 40, there is a box. In that it is explained, utensil. Okay, since the word utensil begin with the letter U, it cannot be taken as vowel sound. U is considered as consonant sound. Sound of U should be A. Okay, for example, umbrella. Okay, so the word starts with U. The word starting with U, if the sound is U itself, we should not add an in front of it, but we should add A before it. The example given there is utensil. A utensil. University. Unicorn. Uniform. All these begin with vowel letter but doesn't sound vowel sound, doesn't have vowel sound. So we cannot use and before these kind of words. So you should be very careful when you use article a and an. A is used before singular nouns and before the consonant sound. An is used before singular nouns and also before vowel sounds. Okay, you should be very careful. An is used before vowel sounds, not letters. Now, exercise A. Fill in the blanks with a or an. The computer is dash useful machine. The computer is dash useful machine. It is U. It is vowel letter, but the sound is consonant sound U. So, the computer is a useful thing. Dash lion and dash mouse were good friends. A lion and a mouse. What is it? A lion and a mouse were good friends. Now, exercise B, you have to put a or an before the word given. Dash interesting story. It is I and the sound is E. So, an interesting story. Second one, dash pair of shoes. The sound of pair is per. It is a consonant sound. So, a pair of shoes. So, similarly, you have to do the rest of the questions there. Exercise A and B. It's very easy. You have to be very careful when you use an and a. Okay. Now, moving on, the article the. Article the is used to talk about a particular person or thing. Okay, or animal. Article the is used to talk about particular person, thing or animal. Example, give me a book. Give me a book means give me any book. But when we are saying particular, give me the book you are reading. Give me the book you are reading. So, particularly saying, what is it? The book you are reading. Next one, open a box. Open a box means any one box. Open a box. But when we are saying it particularly, open the box behind you. So, the box which is behind you. Open the box behind you. Understood? Now, article the is used before a particular person, place or thing or even animal also. Article the is used before the name of rivers, seas and oceans, mountains, ranges, some countries, famous buildings, holy books, objects. Once again, article the is used before particular person, place, thing or animal it can be. Article the is used before the names of rivers. Example, the Narmada, the Indus. Article the can be used before seas and oceans. The Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean. Article the can be used before mountain ranges, the Alps, before some countries, the United States of America. The article the can be used before famous buildings, the Lotus Temple, the Taj Mahal. Article the can be used before holy books, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the Mahabharata, example like that. Article the can be used before objects, the sun, the moon. Okay. So, article the is used to tell about something particular, something in particular about any noun. Exercise C on page number 41. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Dash short stories written by Tagore are very interesting. So, we are particularly telling about some stories. So, the short stories written by Tagore are very interesting. I wrote that story. Nothing particular. So, I wrote a story. Third one, dash ostrich is in the cage. So, the ostrich which is in the cage is mentioned. So, the ostrich is in the cage. Fourth one, dash bus parked outside our school has a punctured tire. So, it's telling about some particular bus. So, particular bus. So, it should be used, article the should be used. The bus parked outside our school has a punctured tire. Fifth one, he found dash 1 rupee coin in the park. He found a 1 rupee coin in the park. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. But when it comes for the second time or when we are speaking about it again, we use the. Understood? For example, my father gave me a book. The book was very interesting. The first it is a book and second time we are saying it particularly. So, the book was interesting. I found a purse. The purse was lying under a table. Okay, I found a purse. The purse was lying under a table. A and an is used when we are speaking about something for the first time. The is used when we are speaking about the same thing in the following sentences. So, there is an exercise related to the same topic. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Dash farmer bought dash donkey from the village fair. Who brought? Someone. So, a farmer bought a donkey. Singular. So, a donkey from the village fair and it is a consonant sound. Donkey. A donkey from the village fair. He found dash donkey to be dash useful animal. He found. So, again we are talking about the same thing. Same animal, isn't it? So, he found the donkey to be a useful animal. Dash and dash B were good friends. Dash and stored sugar and dash B stored honey. And the second question, the first word we have to fill in. The second word is and. So, a vowel sound. So, and dash B consonant sound. So, a B were good friends. We are saying about the same thing again. So, what should we use? We are saying particularly. So, the ant stored sugar and the bee stored honey. Understood? So, when we say about something for the first time, we can use a or an. When we are repeating the same thing again, when we are saying about the same thing again, we have to use article the for that. Understood? Now, moving on, exercise E, put the wherever you think it is needed and rewrite the sentences. You have to rewrite the sentences after writing the article the where it is needed. First one, sun rises in east. So, we are saying about an object. What is it? It's particular, special. The sun rises in the east or the sun rises in east. The sun rises in the east. Second one, we could see stars shining in sky. Where can we see? Where can we see the stars? Sky. So, we could see stars shining in the sky. So, you have to complete the rest of the questions with using article the where it is needed. So, complete all the exercises given in your textbook in chapter articles and be ready to meet your teacher in the next class. Learn all the topics given in articles. It's really an easy chapter. So, we will meet in the next class, children. Please learn well. Thank you and bye-bye.